Whoa. Whoa. You want to hold hands? Is that your doggy? Dada?
Yeah.
Hello guys, good morning. So Jared's changing Violet's diaper. And I'm just going to have some coffee, need it, some pretty water. Robe life is back. It is a little chilly in New York, so okay, so lemon water in the morning, which I call pretty water, will change your life. I'm gonna make it nice and lemony because I'm gonna just keep filling this up all day. And you can make this warm water, you can make it room temperature water. People always say they want like the fast weight loss thing, or like what's gonna help them lose weight, or what's gonna help them lose fat. This right here. Start with the simple stuff. Go through phases where we're making every single meal at home. Like we'll make breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything, and then we go through phases where we're super busy, take care of Vivi and keep up with the renovations and keep up with my videos and all of that. So sometimes it's just like a lot and you just need to be realistic. And for me, I like to prioritize health. So health is super important to me, but in an easy, manageable way that we all can do it. So you guys are gonna see that in today's video and just like little things that I like to do. So how simple is this? Making pretty water, super simple. And then I like to turn my shot into a Americano, so I add hot water. And what's cool about this house, you guys know in the past I had a whole nother water system and it was like a whole nother step, but we already have it. Okay, so that's the first step, is I make a lungo shot, then I add hot water, so now it's an Americano. Stay with me here, a lot of steps to my coffee. Then I add a scoop of collagen. Okay, and then I add a half a scoop of my metabolism powder, metabolism super powder. And I just mix that with a fork. I need an electric blender, but with the little hand blenders, I used to have one. So that's like my coffee's base. And then I need to sweeten it. So I go in with sweet and creamy almond milk creamer. And this is literally my favorite coffee ever. So good. She's doing so good at climbing.
I know.
Good job. Yeah? You're doing so good at climbing, girl. So, hey Lee, what's up? Oh no, she lost a foot.
She did?
Yeah.
Is it still there, just mangled?
It's gone.
Oh boy, Harper, you ate that?
Harper, you know I like Violet's things.
Yeah, you're gonna have indigestion.
Guys are probably gonna laugh at me wearing Uggs in June. But I'm so chilly this morning. Okay, let's go. Morning. Yeah, she's waiting for the horses. Usually there's horsies here, but I think they're sleeping. Yeah, I think they're sleeping. Yeah. Mama's got her coffee. Push with my elbows. Look at her holding on. This is the outfit of the day. I am keeping on workout clothes all day, just being super cozy and comfy. But now I'm just putting on my robe for a second. We just got back from the walk. Where is it? Doing it like this. Little glow in the morning instead of like full-on self-tanning, because I feel like I never have time for that. Glow. And then this one, what's great, like unlike a mousse, is this dries. So it's the Saint Tropez spray. What you can do is just like go like that if you want, just to blend it, but you don't even really need to blend this spray, especially the way I do it, like just kind of like a mist that you walk into. It's just like a no fuss way to self tan in the morning. Like as a busy person, or for me, busy mom, it's like I don't have time to actually like sit there, self-tan. So I just let that dry, and then I'm not wearing white today, so it doesn't really matter. Put her in such a cute little outfit. She's like literally me, like has to be cozy. Is there anything better than walking into your bedroom and seeing this kitty? Yeah. Or you just have to get back into some kind of a routine. Start with making your bed. It is life-changing. Coming into your bedroom, seeing it made, seeing it neat, I swear it will inspire you to do more productive habits. So now I'm gonna show you guys my easy breakfast. So I've been really utilizing Daily Harvest, especially with the move. So, okay, just starting from the beginning. While we were renovating this house, we were staying with my mom. We were also in Florida, so we were just kind of been bouncing around, and Daily Harvest has been such a staple for me. I've talked about Daily Harvest for years on my channel, and it actually brings back like postpartum memories and like when Violet was a newborn, because that's really what I had when I got home from the hospital. I had a lot of smoothies and harvest bowls, and when I first started with Daily Harvest, they were pretty much just smoothies and harvest bowls, and now they've expanded it to so many different choices. They have lattes now and ice cream, like a healthy ice cream. I think they call it scoops. They have chia seed pudding. Like they have so many different things, and it's a great way to eat healthy and get your fruits and vegetables. And this video is in collaboration with Daily Harvest. So I just want to show you guys some of my favorite Daily Harvest and like what it looks like. So this is how the smoothies come. So this is just straight from my freezer, and everything is really fresh, and it shows all the ingredients on the side, so I love that. So this is a really delicious one. It's strawberry, peach, raspberry, oats, and my husband's about to make this one. This is also straight from my freezer, and this is a cauliflower and veggie and sweet potato harvest bowl. They're just so simple. You just take them out of the freezer, and these obviously you put in the blender with your nut milk or water, however you make smoothies. And then these you can cook on the stove, which is what you're gonna see me do today with olive oil, or you could just throw this in the microwave. So you can make it super simple. Favorite flavor. So this is their ice cream, and it's like a healthy ice cream that they call scoops, and it's black sesame. And then on the side, you see it's coconut, maple, black sesame, cacao, ashwagandha, which is one of my favorite supplements for managing stress and all of that, and vanilla. Oh my God. I just thought it would be such a great summer thing to show you guys. I know it's still technically spring, but with it being June now, we're going into summer, and it's just such a refreshing food. Like I just love smoothies, but I don't always have time to prep them and get them together, especially when I have like the high chair and the baby over here, like be over here with my blender. Like this is like mom life. So I'll show you guys the smoothie that we're making today, and then we'll talk a little bit more about Daily Harvest. So this is all of our Daily Harvest items that we have left. My husband's obsessed as well, and we just love that the ingredients are on the side and you can see everything in it, and you could even add in your own thing. So I add in my own nut milk, you can add in water, you can add a scoop of protein powder, you can really customize it. And how easy is this? You don't even need to dirty a cup, like super mom hack. Okay, so anyone that's thinking about this flavor, the mango papaya, it's very tropical. Like I feel like I'm on vacation. It's really delicious. And I feel like vanilla protein powder would be really good on this one, or even something unflavored so that you could just like taste this. I also like that this one has macadamia nuts in it because I'm huge with adding fats into my smoothie. I always do it because when you add fats like a nut butter or nuts or something like that, or even avocado, fat makes you full longer, and upping my fat has helped so much with mom life, or if you're really a busy person, because when you're full longer, that's less meals you have to make in a day. So I just find that I don't have time to eat like 5 meals a day, or like, you know, you read all these different things like have a meal here and space it out, and it's like I don't have time to make all these different things. And then on top of that, know like, okay, am I getting my fruits and veggies? So Daily Harvest takes care of all of that. And like I said, they have so many different collections. So you could do a blend, you could do harvest bowls, like that's what we're gonna have for lunch. You could do smoothies, you could do flatbreads, you could do lattes, and you control how often you wanna get it. Do you wanna get it weekly? Do you wanna get it monthly? So I love that. Like I love that it's flexible. So if you're like, okay, next week I have so much going on, I'm just gonna make my life easy. Breakfast and lunch options, so I'm gonna use Daily Harvest. You know, that week leading up to vacation, you wanna do a vacation prep, or you're really busy at work or mom life or whatever the case may be, and you're like, you know what, I just wanna have breakfast and lunch set up for me. And like I said, go on their website, check out their different collections, check out the different dietary things that they have, and like I said, it's super flexible, whether you wanna do it a week or monthly or whatever. And you guys can save up to $40 off your first box with my code SAMOZ. Here is our wood burning stove, and I really like this cozy area, and I like the brick a lot, like the white brick. So what I want to do, and this is phase 2 of the renovations, I want to do this next year. Anybody that has bought a house that they're fixing up or renovating, you know that like you're never done. Like even when you say when you're moving in, you're like, I'm just gonna do this and that, and then all of a sudden you're knocking down a wall and you're doing something else. So okay, I want your opinion. So next year I want to turn the wood burning stove into a fireplace, and I have these 2 photos in mind, but like just think of them as like a rough photo. The whole theme of the house is mixing white, black, and brown. So I'm thinking making this like a white brick fireplace, kind of like this photo, except see where like the brown wood is, like the mantle. I'm thinking of making that like black, like to go with the beam. And then I love how the side here has like a place for wood. So do like this fireplace as inspo, with of course like some changes based on our room and what we can do, or do like this photo. I kind of like a mix of both, but we'll call this one like photo 1 and photo 2 so that you guys can let me know what you think. Since the weather is so gloomy today, this Daily Harvest bowl is so cozy, so on point for lunch today. So it is a cauliflower bowl, which you guys know I love cauliflower. It smells delicious. It's cauliflower, it's pesto, dried tomatoes, basil, there's some nutritional yeast, so it's nice and flavorful, and it's super easy, and then you pour it right back into the bowl. I love a hack. I love any like grain or rice bowl that uses cauliflower instead, just because it's a little healthier, especially for leaning out. And I just like the way cauliflower tastes, so it's really nice that they have these harvest bowls with cauliflower. But anything with sun-dried tomatoes, I feel like sun-dried tomatoes is such a hack. This also has basil in it, so it's really like fresh tasting. It's delicious. I'm having this with my Olipop. So this is like, Olipop is like a healthy soda. So it's like sparkling, it's a sparkling tonic, and it's a prebiotic, so it's also good for your gut. And this is their newest flavor, orange cream. Kind of tastes like a creamsicle, it's delicious. Okay, so then I split a snack plate with Vivi. So we have strawberries, hummus, pita chips for me. She can't have chips yet, but she gets so excited about snack time. Don't mind that I'm in my robe. I have my clothes underneath. I just have such a chill right now. Now we are starting dinner, and if you have watched my stories, you saw me post this. It's a quinoa salmon recipe, and it's like my go-to easy dinner. So if you're looking to make fish, like we try to switch it up. We'll do like fish, steak, chicken, that kind of stuff.
Baby poop.
But anyway, yeah, so we'll try to like switch it up. And lately we've been loving this salmon recipe, and then I just mix a little liquid amino with some honey, some raw honey, and it's delicious. So I'm gonna show you how we make that now. Step one, you gotta chop your garlic. You gotta have garlic and fish. That is the best, as well as melted butter. Oh, just so good. I had to mute Jared, he's being annoying. He just got back from the gym and is like, look at my muscles. But anyway, back to the programming. You want to add some fresh lemon juice. I also like to add salt, pepper, and Cajun when I'm making fish. I just find it tastes so good. And then I like to top the fish before it goes in the oven with melted butter and a little bit of olive oil. Then just follow the quinoa instructions, and then I make the sauce. So I do raw honey and liquid amino. This I don't give to my daughter. She does have the quinoa and she does have the fish, but without honey and the liquid amino. And then we ended up adding some steamed broccoli for Violet. So we were like, you know what, we'll have some too. I always top my fish with sesame seeds, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then drizzle the sauce on top of everything. Oh, a 20-minute dinner that comes out delicious. So our kitchen rug just got delivered, and I want to see how it looks.
Sam the handy woman, I love this.
What?
I said Sam the handy woman.
Yeah, bye-bye, what do we think? What do we think of the rug? I love the strawberry there.
Yeah, a little strawberry on the floor.
Oh, that feels good on your feet.
Oh, I bet.
That's a yes. Come feel this vibe. Come sit on it. Sissy D's like, yeah, it looks like something I'm gonna pee on. My pompous grass in the background. I think I have to like trim it or something. Like it got really weird. But anyway, now it's like my favorite part of the night, and I'm giving Vivi a bath, as you can hear. And yeah. So this is actually my dessert, and it's this. We live off a winery, so everything is made fresh there. They have fresh food, fresh wine, cider, like they make it all there. And they make this blush wine, and I was sharing this on my Instagram that like it's really good. It's really sweet. I feel like if you love wine, you probably wouldn't go for this. I feel like people that like are a real wine connoisseur don't like super sweet ones. So it's not rosé, because rosé kind of bothers my stomach. I like the taste of rosé, but it just like bothers me. But this one is just like super sweet, and it's called their Black Dirt Blush. So I ended up switching the artwork here. You guys had to switch it, and I'm glad that I did. It looks so good. So thank you guys so much for watching a realistic what I eat in a day, especially on days that I'm too busy to do a lot of cooking and all of that. So definitely check out Daily Harvest, especially if you want quick and easy meals. I will leave them down below and my code and all of that. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.